Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is Jupiter Linked.
Kentat ke India ya kajing terwa jong ka US ban join NATO. Ujai Shankar ulat herting ya kajing mud jing perkhat jong ki risep ngi ki bala kerpat ya ke India ban join lang bat ka NATO. Minister of External Affairs Ujai Shankar ulah kentat ru ya kilat jong ka India ban long ka dekhot jong ka NATO. Ha kajing keren lingkot Ujai Shankar ulah ong baka Western Military Alliance kamlong ka babiang nakamta ka India. Kajing pak siti jong kiri sep ngi banya don lang bat ka NATO kam don kam ya ka India laong Minister of External Affairs US Jai Shankar.
A lot of Americans still have that NATO treaty construct in their heads, so any situation they deal with, they use that like it seems almost like that's the only sort of template with which, or only viewpoint with which they look at the world. The reality is that is not a template that applies to India. So, I must say a lot of it is actually outside the administration. The administration understands this very, very well. And sometimes people mean well. I mean, in this case, I think they mean well. They really want to signal saying, let's do more with India. It's just they use a terminology because that is what is in their habit. So I would not go so much by the terminology. I would only appreciate the fact that a congressional panel has the sentiment to want to do more with India. I think that's a very good thing.
Kijing ya keren jong kiri sep ngi banya don bentalang ka India haka 30 member military alliance lane haka NATO kalah pau dangshen kane kalalong hadin kajing itu da ka US House panel ban kentup ya ka New Delhi haka seng NATO. Kajing yamir jing mud jong ka US House panel kalah temu ban persya ya kajing hirtma jong ka China. Kane ka komiti bala penlong da ka US kalah pen itu ya kijing yate baklan bat ka India ban pentlot ya ka China. Kane ka komiti kalah long da kita yo haswa kajing lejungo jong Prime Minister Modi sya United States. Prime Minister Modi unsale jingo sya Washington kabadai kan nongba jong ka United States hau arpo artarik ubanai jun hajar arpo lai bat unsakren ya ka US Congress hakane ka jingle jingo jong Prime Minister Modi unsashna history namar ulong Prime Minister nong India ubaningkong ban ai jingkren ya ka US Congress hadu arsin kajingnya kendu jong Prime Minister Modi bat Biden layu kum ushabi jong ka roy kapar nakamta ki jingate jong ka US bat ka India.